Guys, meron tayong gagawin ngayon. Gagawa tayo ng battery pack. Papalitan ko na lang tong luma. (2000 mAh). This 18650, the false discharge is 10C. Bago ko to gawing battery pack, i-fully charge ko muna tong 15 times. 70%, 65, 66. Ito yung tatlo. Bago yan. Fully charge na lahat. Kulay green. Dito naka-indicate fully charge. Lagyan natin ng ito, battery insulator. Next natin gawin, check resistance 15. I just wanted to check the total resistance of the battery pack. It is 43 milliamps and 20 volts. Ito ay para sa positive out, 0.2 thickness and 8 mm width. At the gear use, I increase the gear up to 90. Is clearly the spots firmly weld. .2 is needed. So kailangan mas makapal para po hindi madaling uminit ang nickel strip. Lagyan natin ng cover para iwas short ng battery gamit ang insulator paper. Tapos dito sa kabila naman, lagyan din ng cover para maprotektahan ang battery at hindi maiwasan ang shorting. Ganyan lang. I'll try it kung gagana ba, hindi mapalya. Okay naman, okay na okay. So kung meron kayong katanungan guys, comment to the comment section box and I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching.